I tell you, it's gonna blow! This whole place is gonna go sky high!
Perfect! The electrical output is at its peak. Exactly where I want it. Starscream, activate the null ray. Soundwave, prepare the energon cubes.
We've got to work fast.
You think the Decepticons did this?
You're too late, Prime!
There's your answer, Prowl. Autobots to the air!
Looks like the heart of the tidal wave right here.
Only one way to find out.
Be careful, Hound!
Ironhide, we gotta stop that water.
Stop talking, tighten your shock absorbers, and get in. We're gonna make a new river.
Let's go!
Autobots, to the power plant.
Gather the energon cubes. Return to base.
Stick it in neutral, Megatron. You're not going anywhere.
Try and stop me, Prime!
Hurry, follow me!
For someone who doesn't like to fight, you're not bad, Mirage.
Any last words?
None you'd want to hear, Megatron.
Nothing can stop me now. Not even you! So long, Autobots. Here's one Starscream's been saving for you. You fool, Starscream! Help save the energon cubes! Get them out of here! Follow me!
You destroy everything you touch, Megatron.
Because everything I touch is food for my hunger! My hunger for power!
No! I'm going to end your hunger once and for all.
Almost, Prime! But almost doesn't get the job done. You can't stop me.
You're old, Megatron. Yesterday's model, ready for the scrap heap.
We'll see who's ready for the scrap heap.
Junk. That's what you are. Junk.
Silence! When I'm through with you, Prime, there won't be enough pieces to sweep up.
Hound! Hound! You all right down there? Hey, where's Hound? Oh! Help! Help!
Who's the scrap metal now, Prime? You'll never stop me.